dear. Hi, mega love shout out to you. Thank you for dropping by. And to John Ray Matthew. Hello, we're here in Ottawa. Welcome, welcome. So from here we can see the pinky color of the cherry blossom tree over there. Okay, let's go there.
Green grass, huh?
Oh, look at this healthy green grasses. Amazing. It rained this morning, so our road is a little bit wet, but it's fine. Look at the sky, it's all gray. No blue sky today. Wow, greetings from India. We have a live viewer from India. Mega mega love shout out to you. Okay, you the dear for watching. Thank you so much. Welcome to A-NATH-ing under the sun. Can you see that, guys? Right over there. That tree. Let's go. That's a cherry blossom. I'm so excited to show you guys. It's so beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. And take a look at beautiful, beautiful cherry blossom. It's on its biggest bloom, and it's because it rained. Poor petals going to be withered soon. Ah, beautiful cherry blossom. Amazing. There are tulips there. Tulips. That's tulips. Nice. Different colors. Amazing. Pink tree. That's a cherry blossom. And this one here is the apple tree. The apple tree flower is white. Now let's go and take a look here. This is an apple tree. Huh? I can show you guys. Let's go. Let's take a look. This is an apple tree. Yeah, it bloomed. Oh, very nice. So this is apple. Amazing. Imagine. Oh, it has pink also. Nice. You may have beautiful and more fruits to bear. Oh, there's a bee. Okay, bee. So that is the apple tree. Now you know. Let's go. Bye-bye, apple tree. We're going to that beautiful cherry blossom. Bye, apple tree. That's a little apple tree, guys. Amazing. So welcome to Jill Avenue. Oh, that one is an apple tree as well.
Yeah. Oh no, it's cherry blossom.
That's up cherry blossom, apple tree. That's an apple tree as well. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice, nice tree. No one asked. Oh, it's okay. Hello to Amina 360. It's very beautiful. I never seen a cherry blossom. Yes, and now it's your time. Hi, Robin. There's some bird right there, and that is the cherry blossom, guys. Oh, we can stop right here so that we can see the tree. Wow, it's in full bloom. Amazing. It's super beautiful. Super beautiful, guys. Look at this. Look. It's pretty.
Nice, eh?
Nice. It's full bloom. Amazing. It's all flowers, guys.